Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this clip, I'll show you how to use track changes in Word. Usually use track changes in Word if you want somebody to edit your research paper or manuscript. Also, if you are working as a group and each one is doing something, then track changes is good thing to do. Almost all journals use track changes to track the changes that authors need to do. So the first thing you need to do to use track changes is to go to review here on Word and review, and then click on track changes, so you turn it on. Once you do this, whatever you do will be tracked. For example, if I want to underline this word, I'll be able to do that. If I want to delete a section, for example, or a word or a statement, I hit on delete, but it will not be deleted completely. It will just be crossed out. So you go this way. If I want to add at the same time, so if I want to add something, it will be also colored. So you go like that, and then once you send it to somebody to review or edit or what to review and do whatever, he or she will go to the first thing that has been changed and either accept or reject. You can also do accept all changes if you trust all the changes that have been done. If you don't trust all changes, you can go one by one. So you say accept this change and then go to the next one and do the same thing. You can say accept, or you can on the other way say reject change. And that's it. Once you finish, you need to switch track changes off, otherwise it will continue. Switch it off. Now here, reject. I'm done. I can just switch off already, and that's it. Good luck.